Wikki Stix. They are like candle wicks. They're slightly tacky and sticky, and they will stick to almost any surface, but in this case, laminated sheets. OTs, or occupational therapists, often use and recommend Wikki Stix to support fine motor skill development. They can be used for art and craft, but at PLD we recommend that this resource is used in conjunction with the First Spelling Activities packs. In First Spelling Activities Set 1, students form CVC words using Wikki Stix while they are still developing their letter formation skills. In First Spelling Words Set 2, students spell words involving digraph sh, ch, th, u, e, k, etc., and double consonant words and n double consonant words, again while still developing their letter formation tasks. The Wikki Stix packs come in a classroom pack, 192 Wikki Stix, strong bright colours, as well as there is a neon pack, a smaller pack, and again a small pack of the primary colours. Wikki Stix are specifically designed for early childhood. They reduce the focus on letter formation and thereby enable young children to engage in structured spelling at an early age without the challenge of letter formation, while simultaneously developing their fine motor skills. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.